Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put the credentials in your desktop phone so that it'll register to our servers. After you have plugged the phone in to the switch or put a Wi-Fi dongle in and tried to connect it to your network, you're going to press the OK button on the phone and it's going to give you an IP address. What you want to do is get a fresh browser on the same network that your phone is plugged into or the Wi-Fi is going to, and you're going to put that IP address in there. So mine is 10.0.0.228 and hit enter, and there you go. This is the login page of the phone. Default username is admin, and the default password is admin as well. Okay, once you're here, you're going to go up to settings. And by the way, this is going to be, if you ever need your MAC address, this is going to be it right here. But anyways, go to settings. Then we're going to go to auto configuration or auto provision. Click that. And these three things are the only things we're going to need to put in the phone, and that will be given to you in an email. So your server URL is going to be ftp:// and then sipregistration.com. Your username is not going to be this, but it's going to be whatever is sent to you. So you're going to paste that. So basically you would have a document like this, and you're going to copy this and paste that right here. Then you're going to go back to that. You're going to copy this and you're going to paste that right here, and then you're going to go back to the list again, and there's going to be a third thing, and that's the password. You're going to copy that and then you're going to paste that right there, and then you're going to go down and you're going to press confirm. And you're going to see option complete. You're going to go back down, scroll back down to auto provision now. Click that and then click OK. And it's going to say configuration. You should notice something happen on your phone. If you don't, go ahead and unplug the phone and reboot it manually. And then that way, when it comes back online, it should draw these credentials from our server and register the phone. And that's all there is to it.